Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marian. Welcome back again. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell and like my video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So on this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials, and website review. So, and to clarify about website reviews, I'll be going through a few websites or the website that I'll be coming across, test them, and then come back to give the reviews, because I have realized there are those new websites that you can do tasks, and then when you get to their minimum withdraw and you go to withdraw, you don't get your money in your account. And some websites, they are low paying, meaning there's no need to waste your time. There are so many tasks that you can do with your time instead of concentrating on those low paying. So on today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make money chatting online, and for that I mean chatting online with lonely people, and for that I mean maybe people in the US, Canada, etc, etc. So let's get into it. So you need to go to Google and type cloud workers. So as you can see here, cloudworkers.company, chat moderators who wanted. So let's open the website. So as you can see here, we need to click on apply now, but first let's go here to find a few things. So as you can see, this company was founded in 2015. Also, about this website, whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe, you choose when and where you want to work. So there are those who go to office to work, and there are those who work from home, that is us, and maybe other freelancers. So all that is required is a computer, a stable internet connection, competent language skill. We guarantee you a regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. So, job description: our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. So, the good thing about cloud workers, you can work part-time or full-time basis. So let's see what is expected of us. What we expect from you: you own a PC or a laptop with a stable internet connection, the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adjust dialogues. What you can expect from us: fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible independent planning of working hours, a long-term mutual beneficial working relationship. So if you need to know more, you can click on hear more, and also here clear more, hear more. So apply as a chat moderator now. So we are going to go through that. So first, let's go to frequently asked question, so that I can maybe clarify a few things, and then we can proceed. So I live abroad, can I still apply? Absolutely, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PC, a laptop, and a stable stable internet connection. So for this one, you don't even need a VPN, because there are those companies for chat moderation that you need to have a VPN, or maybe you buy an account. Do I have fixed working hours? For this one, you just make your own shift. There's no shift that it's designated to you. You make your own. What equipment do I need for a job? Obviously a laptop, internet. Yeah. Do I have to pay any fees before I'm hired? No, you don't need to pay any fees. There is no gender, specific gender. Gender is no relevance of the selection of applicants for available position. So even if you're a man, kindly go ahead and apply. You never know. When will I receive my payment, and do I need a bank account? Payments are made within 10 business days. and they are made through via bank transfer or PayPal. So for PayPal, I would advise you make sure you verify your PayPal for safety. Yeah, and to avoid those limitations with PayPal. Yeah. Do I have to send an invoice? Yes, you need to send an invoice. So let's go. A few questions. Is my personal information safe? Yes, it's safe. Will not be shared with for any other purpose. Do I have to pass my identity to customers? So I know most maybe be worried that the identity may be passed to customer, but the good thing that it's not. No, you do not have to reveal your true identity to anyone. You remain completely anonymous to the customers. Yeah, they don't know, and that's why even if you are a man, you can apply to this job. So let's just proceed to the where it's important on this video, and the reason why I have decided maybe to share with you. So you need to fill in your first name, last name, email address, date of birth. Make sure you fill the correct one, phone number, Skype name. Which chat language are you applying for? For me, I'm specifying for English, but if you have any other experience of any other language that you know, you can choose here. As you can see, French, Germany, like that. So times available via telephone. So make sure you write 24 hours or any time of the day. Yeah. Do you have experience in chat moderation? Even if you don't have, kindly proceed and say yes. How did you hear about us? Maybe you can choose Facebook, Google. Those are the famous one, like that. I won't recommend you to choose Friends. Kindly say Google, Bing, Yahoo, like the first four. Yeah, and the main one. This is where they decide if they are going to hire you or not. Please tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. And this one, mostly it's always asked in most of the interviews, even the one that you're going to be employed physically. So I know maybe few of you have experience or they know what to write here, but I need to clarify or maybe tell you something. If maybe you did engineering or you did, let's say, maybe a lower course, let's say mechanic, maybe say you did mechanic, kindly don't specify something like that here. Maybe choose a course that involves interacting with people, helping people out, advising people, like this one for therapist. Example like that one for therapist, maybe something like that. But I'm not saying that you choose that. I'm just giving an example of the work that involves you helping people, interacting with people, sales representative, like sales marketing, you know, those courses. Yeah. So let me go. Maybe I have highlighted few tips that maybe you can take from me, and then you can apply here. But make sure you do your research, Google, go to YouTube and compile a good test regarding this. Also, if you're not sure about this, you can go and research about it. Okay. Another thing, if you don't have maybe something to explain about yourself, about the career that you have studied, there are those people maybe they haven't done any career. There are these stories here. You see here, success stories, a mother of two. You can read all of them, create your own version, why maybe you found yourself and how you found yourself working online and how it is going to help you. So you can go through these few success stories. Also, you can research about success stories of someone who was maybe staying at home. Example of this one is a mother of two, was staying at home and then decided to work online. Yeah, So you can create your own story with these examples, but don't copy paste. Do your own research and then come back and fill in here. But the one maybe I'm going with, it's this one. So my tips is here: introduce yourself, highlight your previous career, maybe customer service agent, mention the skill you have acquired relating to your job, and also tell them how this skill they are going to be of help to your company. Example for customer service agent, you usually come along, or I don't know how to say it, like you interact with customers, you help them, you give them ideas, maybe you sell them products, like something like that. Maybe you listen to them through the phone, advise them, example like that. Performance in your previous job, like this one, you can say in your previous job there was an employee for you for the year and you are maybe awarded one of them, and also your supervisors, they give you a positive feedback because you are maybe outgoing or maybe you did exceptionally well. So make sure you choose what you want or what you have. Okay, sorry guys, let's go to the last one. Why should they hire you, or why we should hire you. So for this one, you can say maybe you do your work and you go beyond, and then you get your work done within the shortest time. Like you also, there are those jobs that you work and you don't get paid, maybe overtime. So you can write a few words there. Kindly do your research. I'm not going to show you what I wrote exactly, because if I do so, it's going to complicate, or maybe more than one person is going to submit the same, making all your application to be denied. Also, another thing I forgot to tell you, if you apply here, because most of the time people apply here and are rejected, if you applied with an email here and you got rejected, make sure you reapply. Let's say you wait maybe for 7 days, 4 days, and you reapply. If you used Chrome, you can try using Opera Mini. There is Bing, like that.